Yeah, you alright?
You're good, you're good.
Yo, I'm Greg Henry, and this is my video bike check.
That's We the People cream frame, Andrew Jackson signature frame with all the clap parts. Right here is the investment casting, which basically this tube and this tube dock together and are welded to make a strong bond. Got the new clap forks, no weld, Mad Max bars, new Sean Burns clap stem, the clap wheels, the hub guards, clap pedals, cranks, the clap pegs, and refuel tires. Thanks to 10-Pack, We the People, Clap, WMX, and BMX Food.